Grand Rising. Today I want to talk about you are the canvas. You are the canvas. So an artist starts off usually with a blank canvas, blank sheet of paper, some type of blank document. And they go inwardly and imagine what they want to put on there. And hours later, days, months, however long it takes, the final product is finished. So whenever you're manifesting in this 3D world, think of your mind as the canvas. So what you want to do is you want to find a comfortable position. You want to take a few deep breaths and relax. So you want to be as relaxed as possible. Now, you have a desire, we all do. It could be money, health, happiness, freedom, love, houses, cars. Whatever that may be, you know what it is. You know in your heart exactly what you want. So now you're going to start, just like an artist, you're going to start to construct a picture, a painting, a drawing. So you're going to place an image in your mind of what it is that you desire. So if you want health, you can see yourself walking with your dog. So I'm walking with my dog right now as I record this video. So you can actually see yourself walking with one of your pets, maybe one of your friends, or just walking by yourself. And if you're doing this, then you can actually remember the area, maybe the grass, the trees, the houses, the cars. Maybe there's something specific that stands out to you. Well, put that in your imaginal scene. You want to make it as vivid as possible. So now that you've got your canvas constructed, you've got your imaginal scene, or maybe just an image works just as well. Then what you want to do is you want to dwell on this feeling that the image or the scene brings to you. So if you're walking with your dog, maybe you feel peaceful, freedom, love. Maybe the sun's on your skin, so you can feel the warmness of the sun. Maybe you can hear the birds chirping. You can hear your feet, your dog's feet, their nails. So you want to add as much vividness as possible. Maybe you're seeing clouds, cars going by. Whatever it is, you want to embody that feeling as much as possible. And what happens here is your subconscious mind is impressed with that feeling, and it sends out vibrations to the universe to bring that back to you. So whenever you're doing this, you're impressing your subconscious mind, and that's where things originate. And then once you actually impress your subconscious mind, I don't know how, when, or who is going to bring it to you, but once you impress your subconscious mind, then you will see it consciously in your 3D world. And this is how it works. So you can place any image or any scene in your mind and play it over and over and over and over and over in your mind until your mood changes. So if you've done it well, you're going to open your eyes and you're actually going to forget where you were, because you were occupying a different state of mind. You were in a different dimension. So whenever you wake up, you're going to forget. You're going to be shocked that you're actually where you were. This is how you know you've done it correctly. So for me personally, when I construct these scenes, it happens every time. I get so into it, so vividly, that when I open up my eyes, I completely forgot that I was at home, or I was, wherever I was at the time. But that's the basics of it. So you can have whatever you desire, but it's up to you to test its power. We're told that you must test his power, and it's buried inside of you. and you're testing the power by seeing yourself with it. So if you see yourself having a desire, it's called having faith. So the faith is what's going to bring it to you, because all things already exist. You can't imagine something that doesn't exist. So if you see it in your mind, that means it's already there. So place something lovely in your mind that you do desire. So place something lovely in your mind that you do desire, and go to sleep in this state for 3 nights. By the 3rd night, you should be able to occupy your mind really good in that state that you desire. Whenever you're doing these imaginal scenes, you're not trying to think of, I don't think I'm worthy of that, or I don't know anybody else that has that, or I don't know anybody who could. No, you don't think about those things. All things are possible. You gotta let the universe figure things out. So the divine spirit will bring things to you in a divinely manner. You don't know how it's going to happen, because your conscious mind, your ego, is only here to try to protect you from being safe. But if you take a risk mentally and you see yourself having big things, you don't have to go for the small things in life. Now, I'm not saying that you should try to manifest money and more money and more money and more money, because everything is about balance. So remember to have balance whenever you're manifesting these things, and don't allow anybody to hold you back. And if you do feel like people around you are trying to hold you back or trying to limit you, then it's just yourself pushed out. So you have to go within and see where you need to work on yourself. So you have to ignore those people, ignore the outer world, and go within yourself. Sit in silence and see what you need to work on. In the meantime, create something that you do desire and just go all out. Your mind is the canvas. Don't forget that. Life is good. If you like this video and it resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.